Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, we're going to be making a couple of DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now this video today is part of a collaboration called Fall-O-Ween Open Challenge, and that's being hosted by 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. Now the co-host of this collab is Crafty Hints and Rustic and Lace DIY. Now I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in my description box, along with the channel links and the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see what everybody did for Fall-O-Ween. So for the first DIY, I'm going to go ahead and make a stand-up picture sign that says autumn. And we're going to be doing that with a touch of Farmhouse. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now make sure and click that like button and full watch the video, because this helps me to grow. Also comment below, because I would love to hear from you. Okay, so we made a jute twine bow and we added some lace ribbon to that. We finished that off with a sunflower, and this is almost ready to embellish what we are making. So now the Dollar Tree also carries these window clings that you can Mod Podge to pretty much anything, and this helps you along in case you can't find those transfer stickers or you don't have a Cricut. So this is pretty awesome to use. Now in the crafter section of the Dollar Tree, they sell these round ceramic plates with the stand, and those are pretty neat. So I grabbed one of those, and here are the window clings that have all different kinds of stickers and signs here that we can go ahead and Mod Podge right to the center of that plate. We chose one, and then we're going to go ahead and add that bow, and we are done with DIY number 1. Now the Dollar Tree always comes out for every season with these little book boxes, and they're really neat. But we're going to go ahead and paint this all in black, and then we're going to go ahead and embellish, and we're going to use one of those clang stickers, guys. Okay, so once we're done painting this box, we're going to go ahead and put that aside, and we're going to get started with DIY number 3, which is embellishing this pumpkin. So we're going to take the tag off of this, and we're also going to paint this black. You follow my theme? Now we have those pieces over to the side because they need to dry, so we don't want to waste any time. So I'm going to go ahead and create a couple of more of those farmhouse bows with those sunflowers that look absolutely beautiful. Now what I also did was tie on the ends this long rope that I'm going to use to wrap that book. Now I'm going to use this vase and take it outside and spray paint it with this charcoal gray paint, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we left the vase outside drying, so we're coming back in. The book is now dry. So we're gonna get one of these stickers or these clings, and we're gonna go ahead and pick one of those, and we're gonna Mod Podge it onto the front cover of that book. Okay, so we Mod Podge that down, so we may as well go ahead and grab the jute twine rope, and we're gonna wrap that around one of the ends of the book. And then on the very bottom, I decided to use the little letter blocks that the Dollar Tree is now carrying to spell the word hope. Now all of the decor that I'm making today, which is all accent decor, are all going to be finished off with these sunflowers. I think that little farmhouse book came out absolutely beautiful. So we got to move that over to the side, guys, and let's move on to the pumpkin. So I really didn't have to do too much to this pumpkin. It's dry. We're going to go ahead and stick that top back on there, and then we're going to go ahead and place the bow on it, and this DIY is pretty much done. Look how beautiful it looks. It's simple, yet is so beautiful. Now I decided to show you the book because the Mod Podge needed to dry, and I think this came out beautiful also. See how nice? Okay, so now we're gonna bring in the vase. So the vase, I'm absolutely loving that charcoal gray color. Again, we're gonna use the jute twine to embellish this, also the sunflower, and we need to pick another one of those clings. So today I chose to do some budget-friendly, easy DIYs that anybody can make. So we use one package of the sunflowers. In order to embellish, we use one of the ribbon, and I just need a little bit of spray paint and some regular apple barrel paint from Walmart, and we pretty much did 4 accent decor pieces here. Very budget-friendly and gorgeous. Didn't that vase come out absolutely beautiful? Okay, I had to go grab some more sunflowers and we're gonna place that in the vase, and then we're gonna head on over to the reveal to see how all of these pieces turned out. So I want to take a moment and thank the host, 6 Kids and a Glue Gun, and both co-hosts for hosting this collaboration. I had so much fun making these crafts. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.